Hi everyone. Today we are going to see a Python program to merge two data frames based on a common column. So in order to merge two data frames based on a common column, we are using a method called merge. For that first we need to have two data frames. This is the first data frame. It contains employee details like EMP ID, EMP name, age and sex. There is one more data frame we require because in order to merge them we need to two data frames. This is our second data frame underscore employee underscore extension with two columns. EMP ID, this is a common column. EMP grade is the additional column which we need to add it upon it to the existing data frame. How we are going to attain it? First, before, let us just have a display statement to find out employee details extension data frame. Also, how we are going to do this, the merge operation or merge method, call the merge method pd pandas, how we imported merge of df underscore employee, and the second data frame extension on what basis? Based on a common column. What is the common column? The common column is emp id. So when you're running this, you can find this is our first emp id, df underscore employee data frame. This is our extension to this df underscore employee underscore extension with two columns. When you're trying to merge it based